What happened to your PlayStation, you said, sir?
So I was playing Rainbow Six Siege on my PS5, and it like shuts off completely when I play like 2 hours of it. So I was just like, I'm gonna just check out what's wrong with it. And then 2 ports on the back are broken, so I need to fix that. I called Sony, but they don't want to fix it.
Don't worry. I got you.
Thanks, man.
Look at that dust. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Here you go, man. What's his name?
Ice.
Ice? I got a dog, his name's Canelo.
Spice. No, what is
Nah, I wish, but yeah, his name's Canelo. So it's like in the same category.
He's Spanish dog.
Yeah, Canelo means cinnamon.
Ah,
So spice, Canelo. Well,
Okay.
cinnamon. Yeah.
wow. Look at that. God damn. Oh my gosh. Dust everywhere. Look at that. Do you see that? Wow. How many screws are here? Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at all this. Look at the hairs. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Unbelievable. And look at all this dust. Wow. Time to deep clean all this. To clean it outside. Look at this. Oh yeah, see right here, it's missing thermal paste. We're gonna replace this and we're gonna apply new one, and we'll fix the USB ports. Let's go. Second one is up. Old pieces are out, new pieces are in.
There's a reason my PlayStation keeps turning off.
That's the game.
Yeah, no other game like turns off my PlayStation. I don't know why. This is the only game that does that. So hopefully it fixes it.
Did you check the USB port? Is it working too?
Yeah, thank God. It used to not work.
Alright.
So I broke one, then I had to use the other one, and then I broke them both, bro.
Your health is on the bottom left.
Everything
Keep
works.
an eye on
Thank
it.
God.
We'll be guiding you using things like the ones in your phone display. There are two types: location pings on the left and opponent pings on the right.
Maneuver your camera to fall on my ping.
Great. Now up to the target zone.
See that pinged area on the other side? You'll have to go around to continue your training. Too slow. Try sprinting.
Fast work. Now let's
Shoot the target. Now try while aiming down your sights better, right?
Your ammo's limited. Don't waste your shots.
Reload early if you have to. Waiting till
If you do run out of ammo, switch to your backup weapon. You can't always rely on your primary one.
switch him.
Try your secondary weapon.
Now back to your primary.
See the front? You can climb over some barriers, including this one.
Get moving to that next spot. See if you can climb that ladder.
The rooms beyond have unseen targets. See around these tight corners.
Go to the door and lean left. Then shoot down here. Get close to the window and lean right to shoot the next target.
And if you need a refresher, you can check the control layout.
1 hour later.
Seems like everything works.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks
No
good.
problems. Yeah. Seems like it's perfect.
Before it wasn't doing that, right?
Nah, it would turn off, which was so annoying, but thank God everything works.
Good. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. It's clean and waiting for you to play.
All right, thanks. Hopefully I'm gonna come back. Thank you so much, bro. I
You're
waited a
welcome.
whole day just to play, so thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.
You're welcome.